Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to remove your Kia Forte door panel. This process is straightforward with the right tools. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a small flathead screwdriver, and a plastic trim removal tool to avoid scratching your interior. It is also a good idea to have some replacement clips on hand, as these can sometimes break during the removal process. Let's get started with preparing your workspace. Our first step is to locate and remove the hidden fasteners. Begin by using your small flathead screwdriver or trim tool to carefully pry open the square screw cover located behind the door opener handle. Next, find and pry open the second square screw cover, typically found just below the armrest. Once these covers are off, use your Phillips head screwdriver to remove the screws underneath. Finally, gently pull off the sail panel, often found at the top inner corner of the door, which may house a tweeter speaker. With the screws removed, it is time to detach the main panel. First, disconnect the electrical connector from the tweeter speaker on the sail panel. Then, insert your plastic trim removal tool between the bottom edge of the door panel and the metal door frame. Gently but firmly pull outwards to disengage the plastic friction clips. Work your way around the bottom and sides of the panel until all clips are released. Once loose, lift the entire door panel straight up to clear it from the window channel. Now that the panel is free, carefully disconnect any remaining electrical connectors and the door handle cables. These usually have small tabs you press to release them. Once everything is disconnected, set the door panel aside on a clean, soft surface. For reinstallation, simply reverse these steps. Reconnect all wiring and cables, align the panel with the window channel, and firmly push the clips back into their holes. Finally, reinsert all screws and replace their covers for a secure finish.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.